Today in this video we are going to talk about match method in JavaScript. It returns null if no match is found. Listen carefully. If match is found, it returns us back with an array. Let's create a function to search for a match. We'll pass a string and we'll use trim method to trim out all the spaces if unnecessary spaces are given by the user. Remember, trim method removes all the spaces from the end and the beginning. Let's try out the trim method. In order to use the trim method, just use it with a period and call that method. Now we'll split all the string after performing trim operation. It splits all the string into respective array elements. We need to join that array using the join method. We cannot directly use the array to find a match. It will return an error. Let's join it first and make it a string, then search for a match. To search for a match, we need a string. So that's why we used join to join the strings. After joining the string, you can perform the match operation by similarly calling .match and providing a regular expression to search. If you search for a string k, it is not there in the string provided, so it will return error or null. It will not return error, but it will return us a value which is null. To search for a regular expression or string globally, we are using G. In order to skip all the case sensitivity, then you need to use I also. If you use I, then case sensitivity will be removed and it will search for a string globally. Hope you like the video and subscribe to our channel for more such content in JavaScript.